Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brinsonoff, Certified Master Mechanic out of Reading, Pennsylvania, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about what type oil does my air conditioning unit use. The best thing I can tell you, if you're looking to find out what kind of oil your AC system uses, is call your local dealership. Every vehicle is a little vehicle specific. A lot of these newer vehicles, there's probably 5 or 6 different oils out there. You need to know whether you run the old R12, which is kind of typically not used anymore. If it was converted, 90% of the time they use what they call an ester oil. That's E-S-T-E-R. They use that a lot in these converted systems from the old R12 to the 134. Now, if you have a factory system, a lot of them use what they call a PAG oil. PAG oil and ester oil, unfortunately, are not compatible, so you really got to be careful as to what you're using. The biggest thing I tell you, call your local dealership. Ask them. They'll be able to tell you. If they're not willing to tell you, then your local parts store should be able to look it up for you in the lube spec book that they have. As for putting it in, unfortunately, that has to be done by a qualified air conditioning mechanic because the whole system has to be drained down with a machine, and it's put in under a vacuum. Once they pull the system down, and that's when they use the vacuum in the system to pull the oil back in before they charge it. But hopefully that clears up to what type of oil my air conditioning unit uses.